Welcome in my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use lightshot. It's an application or program or software to capture anything on the screen, especially your laptop or your personal computer. Alright, the first step is download lightshot by typing download lightshot on Google search engine like this. Okay, the second step is click the website to download this application. Hit enter or click it. Alright, there are two options here in the lightshot website. The green one is for Windows and the purple one is for Mac. Okay, we have our Windows operating system, so we can click this one. Okay, we have already downloaded this application. Open the folder in our computer. Wait for seconds. Alright, you can double click this application, so you have your application in your computer. Double click and then the setup or the process of installation will be started. I have already the application lightshot. Okay, the third step is that we can use the application directly. Alright, now we can capture, for example, this one. Just hit print screen on your keyboard. Alright, it will be a bit dark here. You can choose the area to be captured. For example, I will capture this area. Okay, you can add text here, or maybe you can leave it empty. Okay, now we can save this this picture by clicking the save icon. We will save it on desktop. Okay, screenshot 1. Just click save. Let's text in the desktop. Here we go. We have already had our captured picture. Or you can use this application to make an online test on Google form. Maybe it's impossible for you to type this text. It takes long time, so you can capture this text into picture. Okay, let's start. Hit print screen to capture this tag. Alright, do the same thing like the previous one. Okay, save on desktop screenshot 2. Let's text. Here we go. Here is the capture picture. It's very easy to use this lightshot. It's faster than any other application. You just hit or press print screen on your keyboard of your computer or laptop. Yeah, you can save the capture picture on your drive on your computer, of course. Well, that's all about how to use lightshot for your capture picture, or you can use for online tests. Thank you very much for your attention.